What if I told you there's a secret button in your brain that can make you actually want to study? What if the same kids who seem naturally smart are just using one simple trick that takes 30 seconds to learn? And what if by the end of this video, you'll never have to force yourself to study again? Well, get ready because I'm about to blow your mind with the most powerful study secret that top students don't want you to know. Right now, thousands of kids are struggling with homework while you're watching this. But in just a few minutes, you're going to have a superpower they don't. You're going to learn how to literally reprogram your brain to love studying. And the best part? It works even if you hate math, get bored easily, or think you're not smart enough. This isn't just another boring study tip. This is like discovering cheat codes for your own mind. Here's something that will shock you. The smartest kid in your class. They don't always feel like studying either. The difference is they know something you don't. They've cracked the code to their own brain, and today you're going to learn their exact method. But first, let me ask you something important. Have you ever started playing a video game and suddenly 3 hours disappeared? Or watched YouTube videos and forgot about everything else? Your brain was completely focused, right? Well, what if I told you that same laser focus is hiding inside you right now, waiting to be unleashed on your homework? The secret is knowing how to flip the switch. Most people have studying completely backwards. They think you need to feel motivated first, then study. But here's the mind-blowing truth that changes everything. Motivation doesn't create action, action creates motivation. This is called reverse motivation, and it's like discovering that you've been trying to start a car by pushing it instead of using the key. Think about this. When you beat a level in your favorite game, do you feel amazing? Of course. Your brain releases something called dopamine. It's like a natural reward that makes you feel incredible. But here's the secret. Your brain doesn't know the difference between beating a game level and solving a math problem. You can trick it into giving you that same amazing feeling from studying. And I'm about to show you exactly how. Here's your 4-step brain hacking system that will turn you into a study machine. Step 1 is the clarity hack, and this alone will change everything. Your brain is like a GPS. It can take you anywhere, but only if you tell it exactly where to go. When you say, "I need to study," your brain panics because that's like saying, "Drive somewhere." But when you say, "I'm solving 15 science questions from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. right after my snack," your brain says, "Got it, let's go." This is the difference between wandering around lost and having a clear map to treasure. Here's a ninja trick called habit stacking that makes studying automatic. You connect studying to something you already do without thinking. Like this, every time you finish eating lunch, you immediately sit down to study for 30 minutes. Your brain starts expecting it, like how you automatically brush your teeth before bed. No willpower needed, it just happens. Step 2 is where the magic really starts, and it's surprisingly simple. You use the 5-minute rule, which is basically lying to your brain in the best possible way. Tell yourself you're only going to study for 5 minutes. That's shorter than 2 songs. Your brain won't resist because 5 minutes seems ridiculously easy. But here's what happens next, and this is pure magic. Once you start, your brain realizes studying isn't the monster it thought it was. It's like being scared of a shadow, then turning on the light and seeing it's just your backpack. Most of the time, you'll keep going way past 5 minutes because starting was the only hard part. You've just hacked your own resistance. Step 3 is the endurance hack that lets you study for hours without getting tired. Even superheroes need power-ups. Use the Pomodoro technique, study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break to dance, grab a snack, or text a friend. Your brain stays fresh and actually looks forward to the next study session. Or try ultradian sprints, 90 minutes of focused studying followed by a 20-minute break. It's like interval training for your mind. The key is you're not torturing yourself with endless studying. You're training smart, not hard. Step 4 is the reward system that makes your brain addicted to studying. After every study session, give yourself something awesome. Your favorite song, a YouTube video, or time with friends. This isn't being lazy, this is being brilliant. You're training your brain to connect studying with feeling amazing. This creates a motivation loop that's like a positive addiction. Study, feel accomplished, get rewarded, want to study more. It's like your brain becomes a study craving machine that actually gets excited about homework time. Here's the truth that will change your life. Every successful student uses this exact system. They don't wait for motivation to magically appear. They create it by taking action first. And now you have their secret weapon. So the next time you're staring at your homework and it's staring back, remember this: you're not broken, you just didn't know the cheat codes. But now you do. You're about to become the student you always wanted to be, starting right now.